In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to integrate WhatsApp in Monday.com step by step. If you want to automatically send WhatsApp messages when a status changes, notify clients when a new item is created, or connect your team workflows directly to WhatsApp, this tutorial will walk you through the entire setup from start to finish. Make sure you watch until the end so you don't miss the automation part, because that's where the real power comes in. And if this video helps you out, don't forget to like and subscribe for more simple Monday.com and automation tutorials. Now, let's get started. The first thing we need to do is open the Monday.com Apps Marketplace. Log into your Monday.com account. Once you're inside your workspace, go to the top right side of the screen and click on Apps or Apps Marketplace, depending on your interface version. This will open the marketplace where you can install third-party integrations and tools. Inside the marketplace, use the search bar and type in WhatsApp. You'll immediately see different WhatsApp integration apps available. These may include options like WhatsApp board integrations or other WhatsApp Business API connectors. The exact apps available can vary depending on your region and Monday.com plan. Now let's move to step 2, which is choosing the right WhatsApp app. Browse through the list and click on the app that best matches your needs. Most business users will need an integration that supports the WhatsApp Business API, since regular WhatsApp accounts typically don't support automation. Once you've selected the app, click on it to open the details page. Then click Install. Monday.com will begin the installation process and guide you through the connection steps. Next comes one of the most important parts, connecting your WhatsApp number. During installation, the app will ask you for specific credentials. Typically, you'll need your WhatsApp Business API phone number, your provider key, and a webhook verification token. These details are not generated inside Monday.com. You'll need to get them from your WhatsApp Business API provider, such as Twilio, 360 Dialog, or another official provider. Open your provider's dashboard in a separate tab and copy the required information carefully. Then paste each value into the corresponding field in the Monday.com integration setup window. Double-check everything before confirming, because even a small typo can prevent the connection from working properly. Once all fields are completed, confirm the setup and allow the integration to connect. If everything is correct, your WhatsApp account should now be successfully linked to Monday.com. Now that the app is installed and connected, it's time to create an automation. This is where you tell Monday.com when to send WhatsApp messages. Open the board where you want to send or receive WhatsApp messages. For example, this could be a sales pipeline board, a customer support board, or a project tracking board. At the top right of the board, click on Automations, then select Create Custom Automation. Once inside the automation builder, you'll see WhatsApp-related triggers and actions that were added by the integration app. You might see options like, when status changes to a specific label, send a WhatsApp message, or when an item is created, send a WhatsApp template message. Choose the trigger that matches your workflow. For example, you could set it so that when a deal moves to 1, a confirmation WhatsApp message is automatically sent to the client. After selecting your trigger, you'll need to configure the message details. Choose the column that contains the phone number. Then customize the message text or select an approved WhatsApp template if required by your provider. Many WhatsApp Business APIs require pre-approved templates for outbound messages, so make sure you've already set those up in your provider dashboard. Once everything is configured, click Save Automation. That's it. Your Monday.com board is now connected to WhatsApp and ready to send automated messages based on your workflow activity. This integration can dramatically improve response time, automate client communication, and reduce manual follow-ups for your team. Just remember that you need a WhatsApp Business API account for this to work properly. And that's how to integrate WhatsApp and Monday.com step by step. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel for more Monday.com automation guides and productivity tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.